Why, hello everybody. Welcome to the 2014 Math 7 SOL test. We're on question number 35, and it reads, Aiden's age is 6 years less than half of Maggie's age. So we have Aiden's age, and it's relating to Maggie's age. And it goes on to tell us that Aiden's age is 4. What is Maggie's age? So Aiden's age is 4, and we have to figure out what Maggie's age is. So let's go ahead and take the information that they've provided for us and see if we can determine what that is. It goes on here to say Aiden's age is. Well, we know what Aiden's age is. They told us at this point in the problem. They go on to say that it's 4 years old. But they also tell us that Aiden's age is also 6 years less than half of Maggie's age. So not only is Aiden's age 4, but it is 6 years less than half of Maggie's age. Now we don't know Maggie's age, so we'll assume that is X. So it's 6 years less than half of X. Well, when you see the less than in an expression, a lot of students would take this and try and write it algebraically by saying 6 years less than half of Maggie's age. We don't know it, so we'll say it's X. But remember, when you see the less than part in one of these problems, you have to flip these two. So really what we're saying is, instead of 6 years less than half of X, we're saying half of our unknown, Maggie's age, minus the 6. That's kind of a trick here. When you see the less than, you got to remember you flip the way you'd think it would be. So we're going to take this, which that's Aiden's age. It says Aiden's age is this, so we use this to represent it. And we're going to set it equal to this, because it tells us Aiden's age later on is exactly 4. And what that's going to allow us to do is find out what X is. And what X is Maggie's age. So let's do a little algebra to figure this out. We're going to go ahead and add 6 to both sides of the equation. Trying to get X by itself, the first thing we do would be adding 6 to get rid of this minus 6. So that leaves us with 1/2 X on the left-hand side, because the negative 6 and the positive 6 cancel out. And that gives us 10 on the right-hand side. Then, to get the X by itself, we're going to multiply this side by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2 over 1. The 2's, the 1's, they cancel out and we're left with X. Remember, if we multiply one side by 2 over 1, we need to multiply the other side by 2 over 1, or just 2. So 10 times 2 is 20. So we've learned the age of Maggie to be 20 years old, which is one of the answers. Now again, doing a problem like this is not a hard thing to do if you have some experience with it. But when students have problems like these, because they are difficult at first, they hide from them, they avoid them, they try not to deal with them, and so they don't get any better at them. When you have a problem like this, you should dive in head first and do everything in your effort to get more and more opportunities to solve problems like these, because the more of them you do, just like anything else, the better you're going to get at it. So, when you see problems like this, make sure you capitalize on the opportunity and try to figure out the solutions. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.